Okay, so we are now starting with the part modeling from this PDF of CSWA exam practice. I'll try to solve each and every problem within the most minimum features and the most efficient methods. And thus it is written that this part can be built using only two features. So we'll try to build it in just two features. So let's just start. Let's go to sketch on the front plane. Let's first make the front view as it is shown in the PDF. So we'll take the line feature and create the boundary. The rough sketch is created. Now we'll give all the dimensions as shown in the figures. This is 75. This is 20. This is 12. This is 12. No, not this one. This one is 12. Then this is 12. From here to here it is 20. Then this is 30. And this is 60. Okay, so the boundary is completely defined as the sketch is black, all the lines are black, so we can say that it is completely defined now. We'll also put the circle here for the hole. Its diameter is 12 and the distance from both the sides is 16 mm. This is done. Now we need to extrude. We'll make the extrusion of 28 mm as shown in the top view. Now we need to cut what we don't need from this part. So we'll start our sketch on this plane. We make a rectangle. Give this dimension as 20 mm as shown in the top view. We don't need to give this dimension because when we cut you'll see, and we'll have to make another rectangle because we need to cut the outside of that inner rectangle. So this would be the rectangle. Now let's go to the extrude cut. Select these contours, flip the direction and through all. Okay, cut. So we have got the part in just two features. Now let's give the material properties. The material needed is aluminum bronze. It is available in the copper alloys, aluminum bronze. Apply and close. So the material is applied. Now let's evaluate and check the answers. So let's go to this PDF. In the end we are given all the answers. So the first is 537.14 grams. Let's check. 537.19 grams. The error is much less than 1%. So yes, this is correct. The difference might be because of different software versions. And the first part is over. Next part in the next video. Thank you.